Okay, Rafa. First we got to work the face. We got to work the face. He needs to get rid of the mustache. It's totally lame. A real guy would have the face all shaved. Now first we got to work the face. Work the face, Rafa. Work that face. Work that face. Nice, Rafa. Work it, work it. Oh, that's the right girl. Work the face. Work. He's working the face. He's working the face. Now, work the cheek. Work the cheek. You got it, girl. Work the cheek. Oh yeah, work the mustache. Oh yeah, he's a real superstar. He's ready to bang chicks now. Work the face. Fuck that face. Yeah, fuck the face. Fuck that face. Okay, yeah. Now, rinse. Okay, doing it good. Do a little dance. Yeah, work that face. Work it. Shave it. Finish. Can you get an orgasm? Okay, now finish. You're doing her even though you had the orgasm. You're doing her, and it feels awkward, but you gotta finish and work that face. You gotta let her know